Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance ATV Low. The song is Low, the artist is CIARA featuring Diamond Plasm, and the choreography is Aaron Thomas Baby, ATV. And if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. Aaron, this dance is fire. Let's get it, y'all. Ooh, this is a workout. Go. That's a workout. Great job, Aaron. ATV Low. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching.